Om Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you how I make chapchai at home. Chapchai is a stir-fried mixed vegetable and it's really simple and easy to make. So this is one of the very famous food in Indonesia. Let's get started. So for today chapchai, I'm using 10 different kind of vegetables. Here I have Chinese cabbage, spring onion, Asian parsley, mushroom, air cheese, baby corn, carrot, cauliflower, sesame, and cabbage. And also later I'm using garlic, onion, green chili for condiment, and a big red chili for the garnish. I have here some fresh salad, sesame oil, oyster sauce, mushroom bouillon powder, some salt, vegetable oil, corn flour mixed already with water, egg, some fresh water, and white peppercorn. So let's cook it. First, I'm going to cut all the vegetables. I'm cutting them into a big chunk. And now I'm going to chop the garlic and cut the onion into a big chunk. Let's turn on the cooker. Medium, and add the vegetable oil. So the oil is hot enough, I'm going to add the garlic. Add the onion. Now let's give a little whisk for the egg. pinch of salt, white peppercorn, mix gently. Add the egg. And we're going to add the hard vegetable, which is take time to cook. Carrot, cauliflower, and the mushroom. Mix well. Add some water. When the water starts bubbling, I'm going to cover the vegetables for 1 minute. So it's been 1 minute, and I'm going to add cheese and baby corn. And stir fry it for another 1 minute. Add the oyster sauce. Salt and mushroom bouillon powder. Mix well. Add the sesame, cabbage, and Chinese cabbage. And the spring onion. Mix well. Add the cornstarch mix. Cook for another 1 minute. And it's ready. I'm going to turn off the cooker and add sesame oil. Stir it a little bit, and let's split it. So let's put it aside. And now I'm going to cut the celery. This is called celery, which is Asian parsley. Let's add to the chapchai. Some fresh shallot, a big red chili as a garnish, And for the condiment, I have a salty soy sauce and some small green chili, which is I'm going to cut into small pieces. Here we are, chapchai. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes. And also I opening my cooking class in Bali. If you would like to join, please drop your email. I put my email address in the description below. And again, thank you very much for all your support. And I will see you in my next video. Matur suksma. Bye-bye.